Hi everyone, welcome back to the kitchen and a new year of pressure cooker videos. Today we're going to be making some chicken tortilla soup in the pressure cooker. I couldn't think of a more perfect winter evening meal than this tonight, and I can't wait to show you how it all comes together. Okay, we're getting ready to start off a new year, and that means we're going to be using our pressure cooker a lot more in these busy back to school, back to life nights for dinner. So I thought it would be appropriate to go ahead and start the year off right, and we're going to be making tortilla soup in the pressure cooker. This is one of the easiest soups that you can make in your pressure cooker, or even on top of the stove for that matter. I've done that in a video before, but today we're going to be making it in the pressure cooker because really it's just dump and go kind of recipe. It's super delicious and it requires pantry staples, freezer staples, and spice rack staples to make it super delicious. You're going to use a lot of flavor. You make a delicious tomatoey broth, and then you're going to top it with whatever you want. Chopped avocado, onion, chopped tomato, fresh cilantro, a little sour cream, little cheese, you're good to go. So what we're going to do today, we're going to use 3 boneless skinless chicken breasts, and then we're going to use a large onion that I've sliced, a 28-ounce can of tomato and green chili. This is a 4-ounce can of tomato paste, 2 quarts of chicken stock, and then this is where all the goodness happens. 2 tablespoons of Mexican oregano, 2 tablespoons of cumin, 1 small chipotle pepper in adobo, and I chopped this up super fine. You can leave this out if you don't like it spicy, but this adds a lovely smokiness to the soup. 2 tablespoons or about 4 cloves of minced garlic, a teaspoon each onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper, and that's it. Super simple. This is super simple. We're just gonna go ahead and build our broth first, then we're gonna put all of the seasonings in and then the chicken. We're gonna go ahead and add our tomato paste. Okay, we're gonna go in with all of our spices. There goes the cumin, the oregano, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. I use both onion powder and fresh onion, and garlic powder and fresh garlic because they offer different depths of flavor to the dish. So there goes our garlic, our onion. Give everything a good stir. In with our tomatoes and green chilies. This is optional if you don't like the heat of the green chili, which really isn't very hot at all. You can just add a 28-ounce can of diced tomato if that's your preference. Then we're gonna add the chipotle in adobo, and in goes our chicken. Now we're gonna go ahead when this is finished and we're gonna take the chicken out and we're gonna shred it, and we're gonna return it back. Just give this a good zhuzh. Make sure the chicken is completely submerged. Now this is gonna produce a little more liquid once the chicken is fully cooked, but what I am gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit of water to this. We'll just add a tomato, one of the can of the tomato and green chili. We'll just fill that up with water and add it. This smells incredible already. And now we're just gonna pop this on, the lid on. Today I'm using my GoWise 10-quart pressure cooker. This one is a total no-brainer. I'm going to go ahead and cook this on the meat setting because it's soup and we have raw meat in here, so I'm gonna hit soup and stew for 35 minutes. I may go for 40 because I really want this to be nice and tender so that we can shred the chicken. We're gonna let this go. We're gonna bring it up to pressure, let it cook for 40 minutes, let it come down from pressure naturally, which is gonna take another 15 or 20 minutes. And then we're gonna go in there and I'll show you what it looks like, and we'll shred the chicken and we'll have tortilla soup for dinner. We have cooked our tortilla soup. It's all ready to go. It smells amazing. I went ahead and I removed the chicken from the pot and I just shredded it. It just fell apart. Like, all you had to do is look at it and it fell apart. It came out of there in pieces. What we're gonna do now is we're just gonna return this back to the soup, give it a good stir, and what may not have broken up when you shredded it in the bowl is definitely gonna break up as you stir it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna fix you guys a bowl of this so you can see what it looks like. Well, there you have it. There is our chicken tortilla soup all ready to go. I put some cheese, some avocado, a little sour cream, a sprinkle of fresh chopped onion. You can do whatever you want. I love to squeeze some fresh lime in here. Unfortunately, I thought I had one, but I don't. So you know how that goes. You just do with what you have. So you can Also, we're gonna put some tortilla chips in here. And then, you know, you can just crush these up, or you can go ahead and just eat them with your soup, however you like. They add a thickness and a richness to the soup, and it's positively delicious. So, we're not gonna taste it on camera because it's too hot, and Rick already knows what it tastes like because I make this. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please remember to give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my kitchen and you came looking for pressure cooker recipes, you came to the right place. Please hit the subscribe button. I always love to have new friends join me. It's always such a pleasure. And if you're a tried and true member of the Noreen's Kitchen family, please be sure and hit the bell notification button so that you get notified every time we upload new videos, because we don't want you to miss out on all the real food for real people, real easy recipes that we present all the time right here on our YouTube channel and straight from our kitchen. I hope you give this pressure cooker version of my chicken tortilla soup a try sometime soon, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.